Wow, look at this, guys. This boss. Oh no, it's not that. It's not my intention to defeat the boss. I'm just trying to clean up the building and then, it's failed. Another hunt for boss again. Let's hunt the other one. Is there someone here? Wait, let's clean up. Oh, it's a mistake. Where are you, boss? I need to find you again. Oh, this is gold. Where are you? Oh no. Oh no. No more boss. No more boss. Oh, alright. Another one. I can't find the boss again. How long I need to wait? It's only one. Yeah. Of course.